In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Kanban boards in Rhythm. First, point to the team room perspective and then select your Kanban board from the list. In this case, select Stories Assigned to Administrator. Once you are in the Kanban board, you can switch to other boards using the drop-down arrow here. Or you can cycle through each of the Kanban boards one at a time using the arrow button. This area here is the Information panel. From left to right, you will see cycle time and work in progress summary information. The cycle time is the average number of days it takes for your stories to move from the in progress swim lane to the done swim lane. Work in progress summary is the number of stories that are currently moved out of the board backlog source but are not yet finished. Both of the items update in real time as your stories move across the Kanban board. If any of your stories have been blocked for any reason, you will see a notice here indicating the number of stories blocked. The next item in the information pane is the cumulative flow diagram. This diagram represents the number of stories on the y-axis on any given day, the x-axis, and the lane in which they were in. The colors in the chart represent the different lanes. The next item in the board is the Board Discussions button. Here you can see any discussions that have been started, and you can start your own discussion. To start a discussion, click the New Topic button, give your message a title and body, and select who you would like to be the recipient of the message. When you are ready, press the OK button to send the message. Each message can be replied to, given a thumbs up or a thumbs down, which is agree or disagree, and the message can be either accepted or rejected. The last item on the information panel is the Kanban Board Administrator tool. As you've seen before, with this tool you can set the board backlog source, set board options as necessary, and create and configure board swim lanes. Over here are the new story buttons, which allow you to create either quick or detailed stories to add to the board. And down here are the Kanban board swim lanes, including the board backlog source. These are the lanes through which you will move your stories as they continue to progress. If your board contains a lot of stories, you can use these drop-down lists here to filter those stories to see only what you want to see. And that's an introduction to using the Kanban board. I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for watching.